Hey, Mom. Hey, guys. Today's video, really?
We're gonna be at the Dollar Tree.
We're going inside the Dollar Tree.
It's me, Tina Marie. So cool.
You guys said you wanted more videos with the kids in it, so guess what? I am bringing it to you. So we are going.
We got 4 kids.
Into the Dollar Tree.
And it's me, Tina Marie.
Okay, so let's go into this Dollar Tree. So as we know, Grace and Christian is always ready to go, always ready to shop. I can't believe they're already bringing out the Toyland. The Toyland is options that they have for cheap toys for Christmas already out. Like, why are we thinking about Christmas already? Why? It's way too early, but I know some people, they like to do their Christmas shopping early. These were some new candles that I saw. Also, those new little vase things. I have no need for any of these, but I know some people like to see them. Some people buy them for different little holders. But at one time, I became too obsessive and bought many of them and had no use. So now I cool my jets and I don't get them. But I know people like that little jewelry holder too. It was a new hot commodity. But the decorative gifts I had no use for, but I love showing them because I love looking at them. So if you have a need for them, they make great gifts, or, you know, things that you can just keep around the home if you need. That smaller, cute type of storage is definitely a need. Kids was adding all kind of stuff to my cart. I was happy to see that they had Crayola, but this store was so unorganized, and I think it was because they were putting out new merchandise. I mean, why is stuff about wine with the school supplies? I have no idea, but I do like the idea of the glitter crayons and those frozen pans, the inside out pans. Those were really, really nice. Spoiler alert, I did get the frozen ones. Just looking at the school supplies, I find that school supplies is cheaper at Walmart than it is at the Dollar Tree. But Dollar Tree does be having some cute stuff. And this was a surprise find. Pumpkins, y'all, the pumpkins are already out for fall. Like, they are getting into fall mode at Dollar Tree. Summer what? Who needs summer? Even Grace, look at her. Look at her. She getting ready for fall, smelling the fake flowers, okay? She is ready for fall. And I thought these pumpkins were so cute. Look at it, the orange, and then they had that white one back there. So out of place, but there's still butterflies out, so we're doing 2 seasons at once here at the Dollar Tree. They have the Fabuloso. I love Fabuloso, y'all already know, so that's nothing new. Always scoop up Fabuloso, and I do like looking at their laundry detergents just to see if any new laundry detergents have dropped or not. And they had that berry water. My family absolutely loves the berry water. And they had these perfect size for one snacks. So I thought those were really, really cute. And they had, I think, the oatmeal as well, which would make a nice treat if that's something that, you know, you want. Kid socks. How cute. Come on. How cute are the kids' socks? And they had the placeholder mats. I thought that was really cute. The kids, as you can see, already took ownership of the ones that they liked. So we had to make sure that we copped those as well. Hey guys, we're back at the house. We have our items we got from
Dollar Tree.
Yeah, that's your part. Okay. So we're going to show you the haul while the little kids are asleep of exactly what we got. Justin, go ahead. What's in the first bag?
Cleaning supplies.
So we got some Fabuloso.
Fabuloso.
Yes. And then we got some
batteries for me and for my controller.
So those are yours. We got a water that Justin has been loving.
It's a splash water It has flavors inside, so you can be healthy.
And how does it taste?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
And for $1, that's a great price, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, you should get 5.
I should get 5, so I have all 5 of them for
Yeah.
$1. I mean, for $5.
It's a good deal.
Yes. Christian, he got this. Of course, he already started drinking it. It's a Gatorade. Because he likes the Gatorade. Another Fabuloso. This is in Tropical Spring. Nice way to end up the summer using Fabuloso in that one. And then this is more, to me, a fall one. I'm trying to see if it has it. It's passion fruits, and this to me is more of a fall one. So we got those. Got this for Grace's hair just to try out. It's the Shimmer and Shine Hair Detangler.
Shimmer and Shine.
And it looks just like that. What's the next thing?
We got this vampire thing from Nickelodeon, and then it's from the Dollar Tree.
Vampirina.
It's Vampirina, and it's
for
a
Disney
play
Channel.
toy.
And it's a puzzle.
Yeah,
and
it's
we
a
got
puzzle.
this one.
It's Iron Man.
And Grace is my puzzle person, so she loves puzzles.
And
so.
Biddy chose this one, and Grace chose this one.
What am I doing with my veins? Yeah, and Biddy chose that one. Sorry, guys. I'm playing with this too much. Okay. I got these pins right here. I don't know
Frozen
how
pins.
it broke open, but these are Frozen pins. I absolutely love Frozen. So I got these pins, and this is a good deal.
It's from Avengers Infinity War.
Avengers Infinity War.
Not the Endgame, only the Infinity War.
And the kids needed a new lip smacker for their lips. So I got this one.
And we also got pumpkins.
Yeah.
We got my favorite color pumpkin.
We got these pumpkins.
Mom, what's your favorite color?
I don't know. I'm more like a pink,
I'm a red.
pink light blue person kind of
My
thing.
second favorite color is blue.
It's blue. So we
And
have
my third one is green.
a turquoise one, a green one,
And a red
his
one.
favorite color, red. So Justin picked these out for fall. It's not fall yet, but hey, we're getting in the season a little bit early. So we got those. So that's it, guys. That's everything we
And
got.
we got a McDonald's drink.
And we got, 2 more things we got that is not in the video. We got placemats. We got one from, what was one?
PJ Masks.
One is PJ Masks, the other one is
Another is
Vampirina. So we got those 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cause you want, hey boy, be careful with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you wanted more videos with the kids, so I'm trying to bring you 2 videos at least a month with the kids in it. So, really, Justin? So if you guys like these type of videos, make sure that you thumbs up the video and comment below. And if you guys want to see what Justin's getting for school, his school clothes, if you want to see a haul this month on his school clothes, definitely let me know in the comments below, and we could do more hauling of his school attire. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
You're doing such a good job putting together your puzzle. Do you like this one from the Dollar Tree? Grace, you like it? Made Vampirina. High five. Woo! Dropped my favorite scent to $3.95. Y'all gotta forgive me. I had to get it. And plus, look at this gift bag. I mean, how cute is this for $10? Come on, cut me a break, y'all, okay? Cut me a break, okay?